Spain's Digital Nomad Visa could be your chance to working remotely in one of the most vibrant countries in Europe. I'm thinking tapas, siestas, and stunning sunsets. It's a visa that is perfect for remote workers, freelancers, employees, or business owners as well. And it allows non-EU citizens to work and live in Spain for up to 5 years, at which point you can then apply for permanent residency. Now, the initial visa will be granted for up to 12 months, but during that time, you can then apply for a 3-year residency permit, which can be extended for up to 5 years, at which point, as I mentioned, you can then apply for permanent residency in Spain, and welcome to the EU. All right, processing time for this visa is currently at about 30 days. Now on to what you need to qualify. Of course, you're going to need a valid passport. Make sure it is valid for at least 12 months from when you apply. Okay, income requirements. So you will need to show that you earn at least 2,646 euros per month, which is 2 times the Spanish minimum wage. And if you're bringing your spouse, it's going to go up to 4,636 euros a month, with a child at 661 euros per month. And how do you prove it? Okay, you can prove this with 3 to 6 months of pay stubs or bank statements. And I should mention these figures are gross or before taxes. Very, very important. You will also need to provide proof of remote work. So that'll either be a contract with a non-Spanish company or proof of self-employment with clients who are located outside of Spain. Now, your business or your employer cannot be primarily based in Spain. Also very important. You can provide your proof of work authorization to work remotely by submitting a letter on the company letterhead that kind of lays out your position and talks to your ability to work remotely as well. Now, as far as experience in education, you will need at least a degree or 3 years of relevant work experience. And the company that you work for or the business that you own must have been in operation for at least 1 full year before applying. And finally, you do need at least 3 months of this remote work experience before you apply. All right, so with your application, you will submit your resume or your CV, and that will show your industry experience. And this is very important if you do not have a degree. Now, on the other hand, if you have a degree, you're going to submit a copy of that as well. Health insurance. You will also need to provide health insurance, international health insurance that is valid in Spain that covers the duration of your stay. Now, a clean record. You will need a criminal background check proving you are a law-abiding nomad that covers the previous 3 years. All right, as far as other documents, you may need to provide a rental agreement or proof of accommodation in Spain and a letter explaining your intention to live there remotely. All right, but how do you apply? So, one really nice feature of this visa is that if you are allowed to enter the Schengen area zone without a visa, so that's usually citizens of the UK, the US, Canada, and Australia, you can actually apply after you enter Spain on a tourist visa. Alternatively, you can also apply at the Spanish embassy or consulate in your home country, your country of residence. All right, so there you have it. Whether you're looking for kind of the cosmopolitan buzz of Madrid or the laid-back vibes of the coast, Spain really offers the perfect backdrop for balancing work and life. Nice. Okay, so pack your laptop and your sunscreen. Your Spanish adventure awaits.